how to fix unknown error occurred on Line app. So if you want to fix unknown error occurred on Line app, then what you need to do is first, you have to make sure that the server of the Line application is not down. Simply go to your browser and search for Line app or Line app server status. If the server is down, you have no option but to wait. But if it is not, then go to your Play Store and search for Line app. Once you've searched, now if you have any updates under your Line app, you just need simply go and update it. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. Make sure that you have the latest version of the application. Now, you can go with your phone's settings, scroll down, go with apps. Under apps, you need to go with manage apps, and under manage apps, you need to search for Line app. Once you find it, tap on it, and then go with clear data, which is on the bottom right, and tap on clear cache. Tap on OK, and once you've cleared your cache, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your unknown error occurred on Line app, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.